unbox Dior together. I never disappointed at Dior packaging this year. Is so pretty. This is holiday collection. This is so pretty and definitely gonna keep this box because it's so luxury. I love buying cosmetics or skincare at Dior, especially during holiday time. Love it so much. And then I'm gonna open these. Here we go. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's get started. Dior star is my lucky stars. So, do you see these? Alright, let me just take this out. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys. So cute. This is a miniature perfume. I also bought this perfume. It's a Laura perfume, which I prefer it more than the spray kind because I don't like too strong perfume. This is the Lola perfume from Dior. This is how it looks like, and this is how the roller looks like. I don't like the spray one because it's a bit too much. I want something that I can control, which is the roller, and to me it's easier to use. This one is this size, which is not small. It's a size that I thought it will be smaller because it's a mini size, but it turns out to be a bit bigger than I thought. So this is a Dior fragrance that I bought online. I bought this roller pearl, which is the travel size, and the scent is in floral and citrus notes. So it's a refreshing kind of scent. It's beautiful and also natural scents that I also like. And the packaging and all is so pretty. This is the Dior Shadow. And then I bought a lipstick that is a holiday collection. Is Couche Dior in the shade 284. For her lipstick is the holiday limited collection, and this is the Dior Couche in the shade 284. As you can see, it's a pink nude, which is a matte finish, and I think it's a perfect sweet colors for holiday celebration. And it's in a gold packaging. It's so unique. I love this. This is so pretty shade, and it's in the nude pink shade, which can use every day. It has the word Christian Dior on the lipstick as well. It's a magnet, so you don't have to push in. It was just like that. I bought Dior Skin Glow, Forever Skin Glow, because I heard a very good review on this foundation. I know that the stick is now kind of viral, but I'm not into the stick kind of foundation. So I want to try the Forever Skin Glow. This is in the shade 2W. So I can let you know whether it's gonna be my favorite or not. Currently I'm using the Chanel Le Beige foundation, and since people talk about this foundation, let's see how it goes. And then I bought this Dior Nail Glow. I have eyes on it for quite some time, and I want to buy this nail glow for very long. And this is in the popular nail glow shade from Dior. It gives a subtle pink on your nails and looks very natural. I inserted a small clip here because I forgot to share with you about the Dior freebies that I got from this order. So this is what I got. So the freebie that I got this time is a total of 5 pieces. So these 4 pieces in this pouch, and then the Dior star, which also one of the freebies, free gift from Dior. This is the perfume, the small perfume that you saw earlier, and then in this pouch there are a total of 4 items over here. The 2 are the perfume, the popular scent. This is Blooming Bouquet, and then this is the
perfume. And then this one is the serum, Capture Total. And then this one is the lipstick, which is something that surprised me because I didn't expect that I would got the small size, the lipstick from Dior. And this is in the shade 999 and satin texture. Let's take a look at the shade. So as expected, this is the red lipstick that can go well with any types of skin tone. I have medium skin tone, and this one is gonna be the spice to my beauty routine because I don't really have lipstick in red. This is very nice red shade from Dior.
And that's not about Dior beauty product that I unboxed today. This is a holiday collection and I do really love these packaging and the products that Dior offer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next video. Bye bye.